Breaking news coming in, viewers. The Supreme Court has ruled that the President must decide on the bills referred by governors within 3 months. It's a landmark decision which has come after the court overturned the Tamil Nadu governor's decision to withhold approval for pending bills. The order was made public on Friday while delivering the verdict in Tamil Nadu. This is in Tamil Nadu case. A bench of judges basically said that the discharge of functions by President under Article 201 was amenable to the judicial review. Now, Harish, my colleague, is joining us on the phone line. Harish, this is a landmark decision by the SC. Can you give us more details on the same?
Yes, that's right. In a detailed judgment, Supreme Court has for the first time prescribed that the President should take a decision on the bills reserved for consideration by the governor within a period of 3 months from the date on which such reference is received. It said in case of any delay beyond this period, appropriate reasons would have to be recorded and conveyed to the state concerned, and calling for a decision within 3 months actually is very significant because under Article 201 of the Constitution, no time frame was till now set for a presidential decision. The bench said it must be made clear that the courts would not be powerless to intervene in cases where the exercise of a function by a constitutional authority is not being done within a reasonable time. The Supreme Court said where the governor reserves a bill for the consideration for the president and the president in turn withholds assent thereto, it shall be open to the state government to assail such an action before this court. So the big takeaways are that, in fact, for the first time, Supreme Court has set a time frame for the president and says it must be made clear that the courts would not be powerless to intervene in cases.
All right, point taken. And obviously, Harish, it is obviously a landmark observation decision by the SC. We'll keep an eye on this big story and the ramifications really of the same through the course of the day. As of now, we're slipping into a short commercial break.